It's important to bring neutral emotions and a level mindset to the level playing field of the financial markets. The markets don't care if you're down $10,000 like I have been or more, and if not coming back, sell it, move on, take the loss, find something else. If you have a guaranteed profit, worst case scenario of $25 or $250, move that stop up from the maximum loss to a guaranteed position and watch for the support and resistance levels. Simply put, resistance is above. Price is going to hit there and bounce in the opposite directions more times than not. And same goes for the support below where the price is. Price is going to hit there and bounce in the opposite direction more times than not. So keep that in mind. If you can break through those levels, now you're in the green and you have infinite upside. Worst case scenario, you take a small profit. That's a game you're willing to play. Watch my other videos, and welcome back. My name is Jake Swell. When I say stay neutral, in terms, I'm speaking in monetary terms, which means the market don't care about your emotions. The market has never cared about your emotions. If people feel that something is over or undervalued, generally the trend is going to continue. So don't fight the trend. If it bounces in one direction, get in. Now you're in with the trend. If it has been trending for 15 days down, go short down, or the opposite, long up. Practice with $10 at a time, move up to 100, 1,000, 10,000, a million. The game is the same. You're going to get there. I'll see you at the top. Like I say in my videos, stay neutral. Watch my other videos, because the market's there for you. It's not going away. Whether you learn this now, in your teens, 20s, 30s, it's better to learn in your 30s than it is in your 20s, no matter what your skill set is, especially when it comes to the financial market and investing. Making consistent profits with a disciplined mindset, you're going to get there. It's not a matter of time, but it's a matter of time. It is a matter of time when you practice the correct way, like I speak about on my channel. Watch my other videos, comment down below. I'm here for you guys to make you better financially, because I've been on the other side of things. I've looked at my account and thought, how could I learn more? I know everything there is to learn, but that wasn't the case. There is more. Even when you think you've known all, generally speaking, you probably know maybe 2% to 5% of the market if you think you know everything. Once you get really good, you know 10%. That means there's a lot more learning to be taught. It doesn't stop. You're not going to know 100% of what there is to know, but if you're better than 99% of the people, you're going to be a 1% investor. Other people are going to look at you and say, like, man, you can do this. You've been studying for 10 years. If I had to do this, I don't have 10 years to just like devote myself to this. Go completely monk on it and say, I'm going to put my emotions aside. I'm going to look at the numbers generally. Look in terms of the trend. I'm going to define a maximum loss. Let's work with small numbers, because you can do larger numbers after you have the experience. So you're risking $10 and the price is $100 a share. It moves to $101 a share. Now you're in the green by $1 profit. So let's set our maximum stop loss of it was $10, or you'd be walking away with $90 worst case scenario on a $100 investment. Now you can move it up to break even. Worst case scenario, you break even. Best case scenario, you're in with the trend. Like I said, you're trading with the trend. It's the only way to do it, folks. Like, things will work over and over. You'll find other ways that work, but when you get down to it, emotions aside, staying neutral, there's only one thing, and that's to agree. That's to Put your emotions aside. Stay neutral. Have a level head. No thoughts or judgments guaranteed in the market. There's no guarantee that you'll live to trade another day. So sell your losses. Take that loss so you can come back strong. Comment down below if you have questions. I'd be happy to talk with you, whether that's one-on-one or we can schedule a group session. And find friends that are interested. If you love investing and that's what you're here to do, buy and sell. Find others who have bought and sold goods or items in the real world, who have been successful with making profits. You know, you can buy something at a store and you can sell it for more, used goods at a store of used goods, and you can sell it for more online in the real world now. Sometimes you take losses. And if you make that a hobby and it's what you enjoy doing, eventually that translates over to the financial markets, the investment world. Say the best investors or stock traders out there, I don't use that word in my vocabulary because this is who we are. We don't define ourselves or choose to be interested in what we are. But when you find like-minded people that could give you advice and you can talk about price action with, you know, this company's going up, this company's going down. So long up, short down. Set your loss at break even and slowly look for those support and resistance levels which trend sideways and trade those. Because when price hits that support above where it's trended sideways from all the previous orders that have gone through, it's going to bounce in the opposite directions more often than not, whether that's up or down. If there's no orders to fulfill and price is at an all-time high, you're going to want to be in long, because there's nothing above it to say like, okay, it's trading for 500, what's there to stop it from going to 500 to 600? Absolutely nothing, because it's never been there. So the trend is up. Keep that in mind. Don't ever try to look at a stock price and say that, wow, it's so high, like it has to go down. It doesn't. Or don't look at it when it's super low and it's just trending lower. It doesn't have to turn around. There's no rule. More often than not, it's going to continue the trend and you're going to follow that trend. You're going to be in the market at an acceptable, appropriate place, wherever you feel is appropriate. You're going to get stomped out again and again for small $25, $250 profits, $2,500 profits. Haven't gotten to that level, but we're going to level up on this channel. If you're new, watch my other videos. I'll see you at the top. Jake's Wealth. Thank you.